Solid-state batteries are promising to transform the electric vehicle market, and Tesla, alongside BYD, is positioned as one of the main players in this revolution. This new technology has drawn attention for its promises of energy efficiency, enhanced safety, and reduced charging times. Tesla, known for its capacity for innovation and production scale, plans to launch the first vehicles with solid-state batteries as early as 2025. And what's even more intriguing, these batteries promise to charge in just 9 minutes. Something that sounds almost like science fiction, but is about to become reality. Imagine a world where recharging an electric car takes less time than grabbing a quick coffee. That's the promise Tesla is bringing with an approach that combines cutting-edge technology and accessibility. The company has not only developed functional prototypes of these batteries, but is also heavily investing in research to make them viable on a global scale. While many manufacturers struggle to move beyond the conceptual stage, Tesla is already outlining concrete strategies to lead the market. This explains why both investors and consumers are closely monitoring every move the company makes. But what makes these batteries so special? The answer lies in the revolutionary materials used. Unlike conventional lithium-ion batteries, which rely on liquid electrolytes, solid-state batteries use solid materials that are more stable and safer. This eliminates the risk of leaks and explosions, issues that still concern electric vehicle users. This added safety is a game changer, especially in a market where trust and reliability are fundamental to winning over new consumers. Another fascinating aspect is the energy density of these batteries. They can store more energy in a smaller space, enabling electric cars to cover much greater distances on a single charge. Imagine a compact sedan crossing entire cities without needing a recharge, or an SUV exploring remote routes without worry. This efficiency not only benefits drivers, but also changes the game for commercial and industrial applications. Of course, Tesla isn't the only player in this game, but it holds a clear advantage. Its expertise with gigafactories and large-scale production processes gives the company an edge that other manufacturers are far from achieving. While many companies are still testing theories, Tesla is already developing dedicated production lines for these batteries. This allows the company to innovate faster and offer products at competitive prices, something essential for the widespread adoption of this technology. Another intriguing point is the potential impact of this technology on charging infrastructure. With charging times reduced to 9 minutes, the need for a dense network of charging stations could decrease. Imagine charging stations where queues are non-existent because each vehicle is served quickly. This also reduces the strain on power supply systems, as consumption will be more distributed and efficient. Tesla is already thinking ahead, developing chargers that combine this speed with sustainability, utilizing solar power and other renewable energy sources. And speaking of sustainability, these batteries are promised to be more eco-friendly than current ones. The manufacturing process requires fewer critical materials, such as cobalt, which is often associated with ethical mining concerns. Moreover, the longer lifespan of solid-state batteries means fewer discarded batteries, a growing issue in the industry. Tesla, with its commitment to a circular economy, already plans to recycle and repurpose these new components, creating a much cleaner production cycle. However, technical challenges still exist. Developing stable and economically viable materials is a race against time. But with advanced laboratories and strategic partnerships, Tesla has demonstrated a unique ability to solve complex problems quickly. This is something that other companies, even with similar resources, have yet to replicate. The innovation is not just technological, but also organizational, with multidisciplinary teams working in harmony to turn ideas into reality. The benefits extend beyond passenger cars. Commercial vehicles, such as electric trucks, will also greatly benefit from these batteries. Imagine a Tesla Semi with extended range and reduced charging times, dominating freight transport routes. This could redefine global logistics, making ground transportation not only more sustainable, but also more efficient and profitable. Logistics companies are already eyeing this potential and preparing to integrate these futuristic solutions into their operations. And what about the competition? Companies like Honda, Stellantis, and others are trying to keep up, but Tesla's competitive edge is becoming increasingly evident. Its gigafactories, which already produce batteries on a large scale, can be easily adapted for the new technology. Meanwhile, other manufacturers face delays and integration challenges. Tesla, with its verticalized approach, controls nearly every aspect of production, granting it unmatched agility and flexibility. One of the most exciting promises of this technology is its flexibility for applications beyond vehicles. Imagine homes equipped with energy storage systems based on solid-state batteries, allowing for greater energy independence and reduced electricity costs. This is one of Tesla's long-term goals, with the Powerwall and other solutions that can be enhanced by this new technology. And it doesn't stop there. The possibility of integrating these batteries into renewable energy systems, such as solar and wind farms, opens up a range of opportunities for a more sustainable and stable electrical grid. Currently, one of the biggest challenges for renewable energy is efficient storage, but solid-state batteries promise to solve this with higher energy density and greater durability. Tesla is clearly focused on this integration, as its vision goes beyond cars. It's about transforming the global energy infrastructure. The impact on the end consumer should not be underestimated. With drastically reduced charging times, driver habits could completely change. Long pauses for charging during trips will no longer be a concern, making electric cars even more competitive compared to combustion vehicles. Additionally, the extended lifespan of these batteries means that electric vehicle owners will enjoy much longer usability for their cars, reducing the total cost of ownership and making the transition to electric mobility even more attractive. Another significant advantage is the reduction in the size and weight of the batteries, which allows for greater flexibility in vehicle design. This not only improves performance, but also creates new aesthetic and functional possibilities for Tesla's future models. Lighter cars consume less energy, further enhancing their range. Tesla, known for its innovative design, will undoubtedly take advantage of these opportunities to launch models that not only impress with their technology, but also with their bold and futuristic looks. Meanwhile, the market closely watches Tesla's every move. The competition is far from insignificant, but the company's ability to innovate and scale puts its rivals in an uncomfortable position. BYD, for instance, may be developing similar solutions, but Tesla has already shown itself to be several steps ahead. This is reflected not only in the technology, but also in the narrative the company has built over the years. One of being a pioneer in innovation, sustainability, and paradigm shifts. Despite all the advancements, there is still a certain mystery surrounding the details of these batteries. Tesla keeps many aspects under wraps, further fueling public and market curiosity. This strategy is not just about protecting intellectual property, but also about generating anticipation and increasing interest. Every new update release sparks a wave of excitement among fans and investors alike. Moreover, the application of this technology is not limited to cars. Industries such as electric aviation, maritime transport, and even robotics are eyeing the possibilities that solid-state batteries can offer. Imagine drones capable of flying for hours, or small autonomous delivery vehicles that rarely need recharging. Tesla, with its long-term vision, is undoubtedly exploring these opportunities, further solidifying its position as a leader in technological innovation. Meanwhile, the anticipation for Tesla models equipped with this technology continues to grow. Rumors suggest that the Model Y Juniper, Model Q, and the much-anticipated Cybervan will be the first to incorporate these next-generation batteries. The Model Q, for example, is seen as an opportunity to democratize electric mobility, bringing Tesla's cutting-edge technology to a more affordable price point. The Cybervan, on the other hand, is designed to cater to specific markets, such as off-road adventures and commercial transport, highlighting the versatility of solid-state batteries across different types of vehicles. An intriguing aspect of these models is the promise of significantly extended range. With energy densities exceeding 400 Wh/kg, these vehicles could travel over 600 miles on a single charge. This not only eliminates range anxiety for long trips, but also redefines convenience for electric vehicle owners. Tesla is essentially telling the market that the future is not only sustainable, but also practical and exciting. We cannot overlook the economic impact of this revolution. Tesla, by integrating solid-state batteries into its vehicles, has the potential to drastically reduce manufacturing costs, thanks to simplified designs and the elimination of complex thermal management systems. With production costs reduced by 20 to 30%, the company is positioned to offer more affordable vehicles without compromising quality or performance. This could deliver the final blow to combustion vehicles, making them obsolete in a market that prioritizes efficiency and sustainability. What makes this transformation even more fascinating is the speed at which it is unfolding. Just a few years ago, solid-state batteries were considered a futuristic concept, something that might only be viable decades from now. Today, thanks to Tesla and other pioneering companies, they are on the verge of becoming a reality. This pace of innovation not only accelerates the transition to a greener future, but also creates a sense of urgency for other electric vehicle manufacturers to keep up. As the clock ticks toward 2025, Tesla is not only accelerating its preparations for the launch of solid-state batteries, but also creating a frenzy in the market. The anticipation for the next generation of vehicles is fueled not only by official announcements, but also by the hints and signals the company strategically leaves along the way. It's almost as if Tesla knows exactly how to keep the public captivated while tirelessly working behind the scenes to deliver on its promises. The impact of these batteries on the electric vehicle market will be immeasurable, but it doesn't stop at technology. Tesla, with its vertically integrated production strategy, ensures that every step of the process, from design to manufacturing, is optimized for efficiency and scalability. This places the company years ahead of its competitors, many of whom still struggle to balance innovation and production costs. For Tesla, every gigafactory is an essential piece of the puzzle, designed not only to meet demand, but also to shape the future of electric mobility. The integration of solid-state batteries into new models also redefines what we expect from an electric vehicle. Imagine a car that, in addition to charging faster, is safer, has greater range, and requires less maintenance. This combination is a game changer, especially for consumers who still hesitate to abandon combustion vehicles. Tesla is building an irresistible case: advanced technology that doesn't compromise comfort or practicality. Another fascinating aspect of this revolution is the potential to redefine travel experiences. With charging times reduced to around 9 minutes, charging stations could become true convenience hubs, offering services and entertainment while vehicles charge. This vision goes beyond simply charging batteries. It's about transforming how drivers interact with their vehicles and the time they spend on the road. Once again, Tesla is leading this paradigm shift, anticipating consumer needs even before they are fully realized. As always, the competition watches closely, trying not to fall behind. Companies like Honda and Stellantis have their own solid-state battery projects in development, but lack Tesla's speed, and execution capabilities. The difference is clear. While other automakers are still in the early stages of research, Tesla is about to launch commercial products that not only meet but exceed expectations. This disparity reflects the advantage of an integrated approach, where innovation is not just a goal, but a deeply rooted culture. As the market prepares for this technological turning point, Tesla continues to fuel the mystery and curiosity surrounding solid-state batteries. Part of this strategy is keeping certain details out of public reach, which only adds to the fascination around the technology. The promise of ultra-fast charging, enhanced safety, and extended lifespan is not just talk. It represents milestones that will redefine what it means to own an electric vehicle. For many, it's hard not to imagine how this will impact daily life, from commutes to long-distance travel. Tesla, with its history of disruptive innovation, is also positioning itself as a catalyst for change in the energy industry. Solid-state batteries have the potential to be applied beyond automobiles, revolutionizing electronic devices, residential energy storage systems, and even industrial solutions. This versatility is a strategic asset that Tesla, with its ecosystem of products, is ready to fully exploit. By aligning electric mobility with sustainable energy infrastructure, the company is creating something bigger, an integrated and efficient future. Another intriguing aspect of this revolution is how it may redefine public perception of electric vehicles. One of the main obstacles to mass adoption has always been anxiety related to range and charging. With these batteries, Tesla promises to eliminate these barriers once and for all. Consumers will not only gain more confidence in choosing an electric vehicle, but will also realize that the ownership experience will be more convenient and cost-effective than ever. It's a moment of change that could significantly accelerate the global transition to electric mobility. Moreover, there's a significant environmental impact. Tesla, already recognized for its commitment to sustainability, reinforces its leadership by creating technology that is cleaner and more efficient from manufacturing to end of life. Solid-state batteries require fewer rare materials and, thanks to their durability, reduce the need for frequent replacements. This means less waste and a smaller environmental footprint, aligning with the values of a growing base of environmentally conscious consumers. Meanwhile, expectations for Tesla's new vehicle models continue to rise. The Model Y Juniper promises to be a revolutionary upgrade, while the Model Q aims to democratize access to cutting-edge technology. The Cybervan, with its robust design and versatile functionality, is targeting specialized markets such as off-road adventures and commercial transport. Each of these models carries the promise of incorporating solid-state battery technology, further expanding Tesla's reach into different market segments. What's most impressive is how Tesla balances innovation and execution. Many competitors have ambitious ideas but struggle to bring them to fruition. Tesla, on the other hand, turns ideas into reality with a speed that unsettles the industry. This combination of strategic vision and execution capability places the company in a unique position, solidifying its leadership while setting the standards for the future. And it's not just about cars. Tesla is showing the world that innovation is a continuous process, not a destination. Every new technology, every gigafactory, every product launched is part of a larger plan to transform how we live and interact with energy. With solid-state batteries, the company is once again proving that there are no limits to what can be achieved when ambition meets expertise. The future of electric mobility has never felt so close and so promising. With 2025 on the horizon, the world is about to witness a revolution that will not only change the cars we drive, but also how we perceive technology's potential to improve our lives. Tesla is ready to lead this movement, and what comes next promises to be even more exciting than we could have imagined. With solid-state batteries on the verge of transforming the industry, Tesla is demonstrating that innovation is not just about technology, but about how it connects to people's daily lives. The reduction of charging time to 9 minutes, for instance, is not just a technical breakthrough, but a milestone that completely alters the relationship between the consumer and their vehicle. The time once spent waiting will now be virtually non-existent, granting greater freedom and flexibility, whether for the urban worker or the adventurer exploring remote areas. Speaking of remote areas, the extended range of these batteries also promises significant impact in regions where charging infrastructure is limited. Vehicles capable of traveling over 600 miles on a single charge eliminate concerns that have traditionally deterred potential electric car buyers. This expands the reach of electric vehicles, making them a viable option not only for large cities, but also for rural areas and even developing countries. Beyond performance, the lower production cost of solid-state batteries also plays a crucial role. With a significant reduction in manufacturing costs, Tesla can not only compete, but lead the market by offering high-tech vehicles at accessible prices. This places the company in a strategic position to conquer emerging markets and strengthen its global presence. For consumers, this means the long-dreamed accessibility to cutting-edge electric mobility is closer than ever. Another intriguing aspect is the impact on industrial and commercial sectors. Tesla, with its forward-thinking vision, is already considering how solid-state batteries can be applied to electric trucks, large-scale energy storage systems, and even robotic applications. Imagine a fleet of Tesla semi-trucks traveling long distances with little to no interruption for recharging. This not only boosts logistical efficiency, but also drastically reduces operational costs for transportation companies. Moreover, these innovations strengthen Tesla's ecosystem, which includes solutions like the Powerwall and solar roof. With solid-state batteries, residential energy storage becomes even more efficient, enabling families and businesses to maximize the use of solar or wind energy. This creates a virtuous cycle: vehicles and homes working in harmony, powered by clean and sustainable energy. Tesla is creating a new way of living, where technology and sustainability go hand in hand. Meanwhile, the market closely monitors Tesla's every move. The competition is not standing still, but many still face challenges in making this technology a large-scale reality. The difference is that Tesla has repeatedly proven its ability to overcome obstacles and deliver results. Its gigafactories, with their unmatched efficiency, are an asset that places the company years ahead, enabling not just innovation, but consistent and reliable mass production. With all this in mind, what Tesla is really doing is redefining expectations. It is demonstrating that yesterday's impossible is tomorrow's reality. The transition to solid-state batteries is not just an upgrade. It is a revolution that will shape the next decade of the automotive industry and beyond. And as the clock ticks toward 2025, the excitement only grows. Every announcement, every prototype, and every breakthrough brings us closer to a future that, not long ago, seemed distant. The question that remains is, how profound will Tesla's impact be when the technology finally hits the market? If the company's track record is any indicator, we are about to witness a transformation that goes beyond cars and batteries, setting a new standard for what innovation truly means. The future, without a doubt, will be electric, and Tesla is at the wheel, guiding us all on this journey.